Welcome to our standard room with two queen beds at Comfort Inn and Suites Convention Center O'Hare Airport in Chicago. This hotel we booked very last minute. I already mentioned in the vlog about Chicago that we booked this hotel on the first days of our stay in Chicago. We chose this hotel basically because it had a good price and it was close by to the airport and closer to Chicago. We are not so close to Chicago. The location of the hotel is in Rosemont and it is not so far from the airport. It is almost 10-minute drive, but it is slightly more difficult if you are going with the public transportation. If you want to go, the easiest way to go to the downtown Chicago, the hotel offers the shuttle to the airport, and from the airport you have the CTA Blue Line that goes straight to the downtown Chicago. We came here with the car because we came from Milwaukee. We left our luggages here and we came at 11 a.m. We couldn't make the check-in because it was too early and the check-in is around 4 p.m. from 4 p.m. The girl at the reception told us that if we come at 3 p.m. we can have a chance to have the room ready, but not always. It depends on the occupancy. We just left our luggages and we went downtown because we had to leave our car. And on our way back, we came with CTA Blue Line. We stopped at the Rosemont station, and from there we took a lift till here. It was around $10. On our way tomorrow, we plan to go with the shuttle that the hotel offers for free as a service to the airport, and from the airport to go to the downtown. The check-in process, we came almost at 6 p.m. to relax and to enjoy our the rest of the day here at the hotel. It was quick and easy. Just I left the passport details, we took our luggages, and we checked in. The room is spacious. We have enough space. We have two queen beds that we have enough space for two adults and two kids. The sheet beds are very qualitative, what we have seen, and as well it looks like the beds are very comfortable. But about this, I will tell you tomorrow after we will sleep here. Within the amenities that this room has, we have a TV, a mirror, we have a telephone, and air conditioner. The bathroom is small and we have a shower bath and a toilet. The sink we have straight at the entrance to the room. It is really accessible. Within the other amenities that this room has, it is a fridge that we just went to Whole Foods previously and we left our food over there. Our fare includes breakfast, and the breakfast is from 7 a.m. till 10 a.m. We will take the breakfast tomorrow and I will let you know how it is because we still don't know. Till now, we are enjoying our time watching TV, staying in the phones, and so on. We have the Wi-Fi for free from this hotel as well. So it's really comfortable to enjoy some time by the phone. We are going to the airport with this shuttle from the hotel. From the airport, it is easier to get to the downtown Chicago. Here we are waiting for the waiting for the time, and this is the entrance to the hotel. We arrived to the downtown Chicago, and now we will look for the bus to go to see the Michael Jordan statue. We took the shuttle, as I mentioned, to the airport, but by the end we asked to stop at Rosemont station before going to the airport because it was just easier for us to get the CTA Blue Line to get to the downtown Chicago. From Rosemont till here, till Washington stop, it is about 1 hour with the train. It took us pretty long, but anyway, it was a good way to get here. It is really a disadvantage of having a hotel so far away, but by the end we slept very well and we are happy because the beds are very, very comfortable. It looks that they changed those recently. We had also our breakfast this morning at the hotel. The breakfast, it is the same like in the previous hotel. We even were laughing on the thing that it was like copy paste of the breakfast and two different hotels of two different chains, because the previous one it is Radisson chain hotel, and this one that we are seeing now it is a hotel that is of Hilton chain. So two different chains, but the breakfast is the same. So I suppose that in bed and breakfast hotels they have the same thing. They do not change very differently. Maybe the brands that they are using are different, but the food more or less is the same.